Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras. We'll be picking few cards, guys. One card for your general energy, one card for your relationship, and one card for your love energy. This is for your general energies, Libras, and this is for your career, work situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. And we'll be picking one card from the oracle deck, so we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So this is your oracle guidance message. So for your daily energies, Libras, Ace of Pentacles, a very positive card here, guys. So you will be seeing new beginnings today, maybe in your work situation or your life, and things are going very well towards prosperity, and you're feeling really safe and secure in your life, in your position, and in your work. Things may have take a happy turn, lead you towards that prosperity, and whatever hard work, whatever efforts that you are putting in, you are getting the expected results and you are happy for it, guys. That is what I see here. So even maybe in your work or in your personal life, you are seeing success. That is what I see here, and you are flourishing. Maybe in your business, you are expanding your business or going in for some business collaborations. That is also the energy here, guys. So all things positive is coming towards you, and you have that confidence and strength in yourself to face whatever comes your way and deal with it effectively. So what is the card for your career? Three of Pentacles. So this denotes that you need to have that teamwork, guys, in your work situation. Maybe you are a person of strong will. Maybe you like to work alone, you want to do things alone, and you are quite capable of that. You have that ability and skills to manage your work alone and make it a success. But today you have to go for teamwork. Maybe sometimes that suggestions from people whom you work with, or their help may lessen your work, give you more time to reflect about your work. So you will have time to think what you need to do about the next step. When people are there to guide you and help you in your work, you will be less burdened, and you will have opportunity for more success in whatever you do, guys. So teamwork is always good. It helps us in so many ways, guys. So you need to go for that today. And I see here that you are really a skilled person, and you are able to do anything, and that is the reason for this card here, guys. So you will be able to reach the goals, whatever you want to reach in your life, guys. And that is the energy here, and people look up to you as a person for guidance. You have that knowledge about what you're doing, and you have that sense of what to say, you are a very skilled person. You decide everything before you want to do. So your decisions and your efforts relate in your work. So people may come towards you for your suggestions. That is what I see here with this card, guys. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, Libras. Six of Pentacles in reverse. With this card, guys, the energy is that maybe with this person, or maybe someone, or maybe this person whom you're in relationship with, they are trying to compete with you. They take you as their example because you are so skilled. We were speaking about that energy with the previous cards. So you are a person of great skill and ability, and you handle your situation very well. So they may be trying to compete with you, they may be jealous of you in a positive way, guys, and they want to be like you. They see you as a inspiration, a great inspiration for them. So that is the energy here. Or for some of your Libras, it may be that this person, or it may be somebody in your close friendly friend circle, someone or some common friend. They may be jealous of your relationship, the way you are, both of you, that deep connection. So they may feel that you are this relationship is too good, and they are very much jealous of that. And also, guys, I see here that you may be dealing with the Libra, guys. You are in a relationship with the Libra. That may also be the energy here. So you have that deep understanding, you share a great bond, and that friendship is there in this relationship. So that may be the reason for this jealousy and competition, guys. So people see you as a as a mate for each other couple. So that may be the reason for jealousy. So let us see what is your oracle card. So this card may answer any deep questions or thoughts you have about your relationship, guys, or your work situation. So what is the card? To be fair. The oracle's message for your Libras is that in life we face many situations, something nourishing and some are really challenging. So we find that balance over time. We go through all kinds of experiences and we find that balance in life, and all these experiences have their place in our life, guys. So we need to accept all that without judgment. So it will help us to find that balance in life. So it is all predestined, guys, whatever we are facing. So whatever we sow, we reap. So that is the energy with this card. So if we do good things, we will get good things, guys, and if we do bad things, we will only get bad things. So that is the meaning of this card. And in this relationship, to be fair, it means just like you feel that this person has to listen to you, listen to your suggestions and options, you need to be also that person who listens to others' suggestions and options. So the best relationship is where there is mutual benefit. So each person must be heard and valued and respected. So only if that happens, if that mutual affection and mutual understanding through listening and mutual respect is there, only that relationship is fair. So you need to have that fairness in your relationship, guys, and even in your work situation. You should go for that mutual gain. So working with your partners or colleagues, so each and every person should enjoy the benefits. So you should work towards that fairness, fair affairs, fair settlements and negotiations, whatever that you do in your work. So you should go for that. You should maintain that balance in your work. So if you work with truth, in a truthful way, only the best things will come towards you, guys. Wonderful things will come towards you, Libras. That is what the oracle's guidance message for you all, guys. And that is the energy for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, Libras.